In this video, we will make this. So, let's get started. Open Filmora Video Editor. Import a video clip you want to edit. Drag and drop video in the timeline. Extend the video clip. Now select the part to censor bad words. Here we get some bad words. Cut this part first. Now go to Filters. In the Utility Filters, select Mosaic. Now resize the mosaic filter to that part. Now set the mosaic according to your need. And we are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn. Next, till then, stay creative with Filmora.